Hi universe, I'm AG, and in today's video we are going to see an easy way to manage large JSON files in Java. JSON, also known as JavaScript object notation, has become the standard for information interchange across the internet and web technologies because it's a human readable way for organized data in a key value pair. Because Java doesn't have a native JSON solution, we have to solve it with open source packages like this one that you can use for fetch information from other platforms. To the example, I'm going to use a simple products catalog that you can find along with the package files, all in the description links as always. Now, create a class to hold the document objects. In a simple program to use the JSON parser with a function called read, we return an array list containing all the products. By the way, if you want to learn Java programming language, a link to the professional course will be available on the video description. For now, let's continue this specific solution. After multiple casting operations, we finally construct an array list that holds all the elements. This is done in this way because, remember, JSON only holds text strings. We access any element on the list and see that everything is in place. Now let's see the opposite case, how to build and export a JSON file from data inside Java. To do this, we build another function that receives the array list we have just created as a parameter and loop for each element to create the JSON object. Now we want to point out that the Java compiler treats the forward slashes in a very specific manner, so maybe you want to replace them on the first step. Finally, we check that the file is the same we introduced to the program to verify. Thank you very much for watching our video. Be aware of our content and stay awesome.